Here is a quick brow tutorial. Brush your brows up and laminate using a brow soap. You'll notice that I do cut off the tails of my brows so I can create a higher arch. Then I use my fingers to smooth the hairs down and I use the brush to shape them. I allow this to air dry for about 5 minutes. Concealer to clean up under the brows as well as create the guide for me to fill in my brows. Micro tip pencil to create the outline. A black flat pencil to fill in the tail and the middle of the brows. Brow pen to create hair-like strokes towards the front of the brow. Use a brush to distribute the product evenly through the brows and remove any harsh lines. Using no extra product, use that same concealer brush to clean up the top tail of your brows. Blend that out using either your fingers or a beauty sponge. Set the brows in place using a clear brow gel. If you feel your brows are too harsh, go over them lightly with a translucent powder.